Hi guys! So good morning! So ngayong umaga ay isi-share ko lang po sa inyo ang aking na-experience kung paano mag-install ng EPSON L3250 na scanner driver. So the first thing that you are going to do is that you have to make sure that the cord from the printer is connected to your laptop. And after that, you have to follow these steps. Search EPSON L3250 driver in Google, then click. After clicking, you have to find or you click drivers. Click drivers. After clicking, you have to click download. After downloading, accept. And then you can see that. Then you have to open the file. After opening, you have to continue next. Then I accept. Then next. And you have to wait. After waiting, okay, there, and then click finish.